One thing we're really proud of here at ARCO is our internship and co-op program. We spent a better course of the year recruiting from a handful of universities, pulling co-op and intern students from all grades.
And really, the type of students we're looking for are those that are eager, that want to learn, about the construction industry, not necessarily a civil engineering student. We cover a lot of different engineering disciplines. We're very open.
And the exposure that they get at ARCO is second to none. They get exposure to customers, subcontractors, superintendents.
They're basically an extension of our project management team. We also have co-ops that are specific for the field, so they're an extension of our field supervision components, interacting with different project team groups, different project types and disciplines, so that they get that whole spectrum of what design build is.
ARCO's partnership's been ideal. They've got a great internship program, and they treat our students, our minor alumni, once they graduate, very well. And I look at those programs, and we talk about work-life balance, and we talk about work hard, play hard, and ARCO really exemplifies that.
And even though we feel like we're setting a high bar with expectations and engaging them as part of that team, one of the things we're really proud of is really trying to balance that with a lot of fun, trying to keep the atmosphere light, trying to challenge, but remind everyone that they're learning and it's okay to make mistakes. And it's really fostered an environment of just mentorship and relationship with our co-ops and their PM and superintendent mentors.
We look for our students to be ready to hit the ground running, and with that we really focus on the experiential learning. We see a student that comes back from a good internship understands the business model, they understand the business side of things, they understand how the entire process of engineering is done.
All of our project teams work really hard to make sure that the interns and co-ops get the full spectrum of exposure. Like they're popping in meetings, they're sitting, they're listening, learning, walking job sites, taking pictures, documentation, all the things that help them grow their construction experience.
But what I think we do a really good job is just aligning them with what their overall goals are. We treat every co-op as an opportunity for them to learn our business, but then also to help and be like, hey, what else are you interested in? Maybe our business isn't for you, but we can align them with other partners in our industry.
We've utilized some of the aspects of the internship program at ARCO and have that expectation that they have a mentor, that they have professional career development opportunities, and they understand the business, not just their little corner and what they're expected to do for their work. And ARCO really exemplifies that. And it goes back to the founders, Dick Arnoldy and Jeff Cook, our minor alumni.
Our partnership between ARCO and Missouri S&T goes back. I was a co-op there, Matt went there. So over 20 years that we've been recruiting interns and co-ops and full-time students from Missouri S&T.
I know our students are talented, that's not a question. The question is, are they going to be doing what they're really good at and love to do, and then find a place that brings that out of them, that builds them as an engineer, not just their little corner of it. And that's one thing we really focus on. And our bigger motto is to change the world. And we think with our students having that experiential learning, very solid classroom backing behind that they can go out and do great things. And we expect that of our students. We hold them to that standard and make sure that our students are ready to go out, make a difference in the world, and be a positive force in their engineering career.